DRC shows no errors, but that doesn't mean the circuit will actually work. Look at the processes, not just the symbols. Where does the current flow? What powers up first? What controls what? First, check the power supply. Verify polarity, common ground, and the power-up sequence of the regulators. Second, the microcontroller. Reset, boot configuration, crystal, and pull-up resistors. These are often what turn a board into a brick. Next come the interfaces, I2C, SPI, UART. Without proper pull-ups and level matching, it's easy to run into glitches there. And finally, the power stage, a MOSFET without a gate resistor or a relay without a flyback diode. Classic mistake. Review schematics with an engineer's eye, and your boards will start up on the first try.